Did you know that some of the biggest companies in the world, whether it's manufacturing, retail, healthcare, or banking, run their entire business on just one software? And that software is SAP. And the professionals who know SAP are the most sought after in the job market. But what exactly is SAP? Is it difficult to learn, or can it really help you build a successful career? Let's find out. SAP stands for System, Applications and Product in Data Processing. It is an ERP software that helps business manage entirely from finance to sales to inventory to human resource planning and entire operations all integrated in just one software. Instead of using multiple softwares, businesses use SAP to keep all their departments connected and make better and smarter decisions for their businesses. Now let's understand why SAP is so popular. There is a constant demand of SAP professionals who can implement, customize, and manage these systems. Whether you are interested in finance, HR, sales, or technology, there is an SAP module that connects with your career goals. The next question is, can beginners learn SAP? Well, the answer is absolutely yes. The biggest misconception is SAP is only for experienced professionals, when in reality, graduates, students, or working professionals can all learn SAP with a right guidance. The key is choosing the right module according to your background, and with right guidance and hands-on working experience, you can learn SAP. At Srijan Institute, we don't just teach you SAP, we prepare you for a career in SAP. Our training includes classes with industry expert trainers, career guidance, interview preparations, and experience on real-time projects to help you become industry ready. If you are looking for a long-term career growth, global opportunities, this is the right time to start your career in SAP. Join Srijan Institute today for SAP programs and start your successful career now.